Hey guys, welcome back to Oleta State Park, Miami, Florida. This is part 4. If you haven't seen part 1, 2, and 3, you want to check that out. We're going to check out some more things, the canoeing area, hopefully, and see what's going on here, guys. It's a rainy day. It's been raining off and on, sprinkling. We're going to walk. They have canoe rentals here. There's a beautiful beach made here. Showed it in part 1 and 2. You'll see that in the videos as well. And 3. You can rent canoes here. There's a lot going on here. Even though it's been raining off and on, it hasn't stopped anyone from coming here. This place is huge. So hopefully we'll be able to check out the canoeing area. All right. You gotta have your photo ID to rent. Fill a waiver out. Check in with the cashier upstairs, folks. If you are coming here to rent a canoe, it is $4 to get into the park, period. And this is where you will come to. Lifeguards, paddles, you can rent out. Pretty cool. And when you rent those out, they have the prices here, folks. 1 hour, $35. 2 hours, $50. That's for a mountain bike. As you can see all the way down, different prices. They have free Wi-Fi. Hey, how's it going, man? Just doing some filming. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
Filming your guys' park, man. Is this where they canoe across over here?
Yeah, canoe, kayak.
Canoe and kayak, huh?
Bikes.
I walked some of the trails, a little wild out there.
Yeah, it's because of all the clouds and moisture. All the
Yeah, they got some gators out there today.
Gators?
Yeah, there's some gators out there today. I seen one out there, off the trail. He's sitting on the, he had his face laying on the water, right over, probably about down that way.
What?
Yeah, little baby. It was a small one.
Have to still look the park down.
Yeah. So what do you do, man? You know?
Good.
Oh, okay. So you just rent out the equipment, right?
Yeah, unfortunately we put stuff up
Okay.
because of the storm.
Yeah, this is gonna be on YouTube. I have millions of followers, man. So they ain't gonna do nothing but bring more people to you guys' park.
Yeah.
You know, it could have been famous, bro. All right, man. I'm gonna check across the street and see if I see anything. Thanks, man. He didn't want to really be on camera. I don't put people on camera who don't want to be on there, you know? I don't know why a guy that's supposed to rent bikes and stuff like that and canoes, but oh well, to each his own. Understandable. So we're going to walk across the street, folks. This is going to be the last video. I just wanted to show you guys the canoe area. This has been a long, lengthy part 4 video because this place is so huge. It goes down that way for miles. It goes down that way for miles. This is a big, big place. Beautiful place. People come here, scuba dive, all of that. I'm not scuba diving in this water, folks. You definitely might run into something. I've already seen a smaller gator along the water, but I couldn't get in the brush to get a good image of him earlier. But they're out here. Once again, this is Oleta State Park. Oleta, I should say. Oleta River State Park. Most people just call it Oleta State Park. And it is huge, folks. If you come out here, be prepared to walk. Because if you're not prepared to walk, I don't know what you're gonna do. And you want to wear some comfortable, I would say, hiking boots, or something similar to what I got on. You know, these type of boots. You know, I wouldn't wear no sandals. Definitely not here. And this is some of the things they got going on. This is like a bike trail, so I'm not going to walk all the way in this. I'm just going to walk a little bit along and show you guys. I've walked the trails earlier on my first 1, 2, and 3 videos. So, you know, I might walk a little bit. Who knows? Who knows, guys? But there are gators. You got to be careful. And I'm sure there probably used to be panthers in here before they probably ran a lot of them out. This definitely looks like this used to be Panther City. I'm gonna walk through here. Why not, folks? Let's do it. Last part 4, right? Let's go all out with it. I'll give you guys another good 12 minutes. This part of the woods look a lot different, I can tell you that. But I can also tell you I know something in here. Really tall pines. Isn't that amazing how those trees just grow those roots, branches just everywhere? Boy, if you were getting chased by Bigfoot, you would definitely bust your head up in here. You better watch where you're running. If he comes here, he definitely got you guys. There's no way you're running through all that without falling. I don't care who you are. Okay, Mr. Mosquito, go. Leave me alone. Don't you hate when a mosquito get in your ear and he's... That is the most craziest feeling ever. They do have crab holes here, so the crabs are definitely around here. Seen one earlier, but he went in the hole before I can get all the way up to him. But you see, these are crabs. They live in there. This is their season. When it rains, they dig little barrels and they hang out. Wow. That has to be a bike trail up there. That is freaking steep. Huh. Should I do it, folks? Or should I go that way? Why not? I got my boots on. That is steep, folks. This has to be a bike trail, yes. I don't know how they do this one. I'm sure the ambulance has been up here a couple times because this looked like an accident waiting to happen for a bike. Yeah. Sure, there's a lot of flipped over mountain bikes around here. This is very wild looking. Wow. Instead of a bike trail, this is like one of the trails we used to build when we were younger in the woods. Finding stuff that we just find around. Down the steep hill I go. Wherever it goes, nobody knows. Hope I don't run into a panther, guys. You always hear those stories, and there's always the state parks. This actually looks like you went into a circle. I'm gonna go the other way. Let's go the other way, folks. This is a little off, but hey. Lots of crab holes around here. Lots of them. Lots of nets as well. This area seems to have more mosquitoes. I noticed that. That bike ramp seriously looked like you'll probably be making a dentist appointment. Yeah, you probably make a dentist appointment on that one. I'm just going to walk through some of these little woods. They don't look like they're really thick. The bike trails look a little wild, look guys, a little wild. And there are crab holes everywhere along the path. Pretty cool. Hope nobody comes through a bike in here and runs me over. Because really, I'm not supposed to be in here. But you know, every time I hang out with you guys, you get me in trouble. This looks like this. You have to be riding very slow, or either at enough speed so you don't flip over. But this looks a little wild. I don't know who rides this, but I would like to see him, because this is yeah, this definitely looked like some stuff that a 14-year-old, 16-year-old would be on. Because this is something I probably would have did. I liked it, all the danger. When you get older, you're not really trying to do nothing like this. Yeah, this looks like some ER visits right here. I don't know about you guys. I'm not trying to sit up in the ER with a broken leg and ask me what happened. This is a nice place to camp. Very nice place to camp. I'm gonna turn around, guys. I'm gonna head back the other way. I've been in the woods all day. Like I said, this is the 4th video. And thus far, I guess I've been lucky. I haven't had anything attack me because I took trails that you really weren't supposed to take. I took turns that you really weren't supposed to turn. I've been in places that you really was forbidden. Hey man, I'm from Wisconsin. I done been all through these woods before. You know, like I said, if they're gonna come and get me, come and get me. I got the spray for the gators. I got all of that on me. Not to mention, I'm gonna run first. But it's pretty cool back here. A lot of people have made videos of this place, but I think I might be the first one that actually made a video of the trails. Most of them made videos of camping over at the camp area, or canoeing, or you know. But nobody has really walked around all the trails. And I wanted to see that because, you know, I'm wild man. Gotta see that. They have signs letting you know, folks. Here's another sign. Caution. Gator. See that? You don't want to come here messing around, folks. You don't want none of that. You come here and take a dip, that might be your last dip, buddy. Yeah, that might be your last dip. They're just gonna have a nice sandwich tonight. You go up in there. I guess they make it fair for them, you know. Hey, we eat them, they eat us. With that being said, folks, it's been nice, you know, you guys rocked it out with me. And for those who haven't seen none of the videos, I hope you guys enjoy them. Hit that like button, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again. As always, nature is therapeutic. I'm out of here.